install this radio. If you know about impalas, you know the radio stay on after you turn the car off. And clearly you see no key in ignition. My radio's still on. Some people say, yeah, open the door. Because it's supposed to be a sensor. My radio's still on. So, to get rid of this thing. Alright, before I do that, pretty much 6 screws. Here, 3 on this side, 3 on this side. Now that you really don't have to disconnect. You can just let it hang back there. And that's it. It's out. Move this cup. This the one I'm putting in. Just a double DM, one special. And I bought the wire harness, so I don't have to cut no wires or whatnot. Just gonna go right in there. Now I already wired this up and did my little thing. I did not make a video on that. I'm gonna do this one goes in here like that, and this one goes in here. Work with one hand. All right, there we go. Easy peasy. Now, of course, with the Impala, you don't hook the red from here to this one because there's no power there. You gotta hook the red from the radio, the new radio red, to a new wire. And I'll show y'all where I'm gonna plug that up. It's a fuse box right there. I'll show y'all where I plug that in now. So it's not gonna come on until I plug this up. And yeah, it's not the best radio, but I'll cut y'all back on when I got it in.